this is what my hair looks like now. It is growing slowly, but it is growing way too slow. And if you've ever watched Pokemon, specifically the first generation, there is an episode that has 3 Eevee brothers. Oh, well, technically 4 Eevee brothers, but the brother that trains the Flareon, when I see myself in photos, my bangs sometimes will clump together, and I swear it looks like the Flareon trainer. Yeah, this is what my hair looks like now. It's getting there. Slowly. I feel like soon I'll be able to just rock like hair extensions and then have long hair. But for now, it's still too short to really do anything with it. And I can't cut it more than like a little trim, which I already have, because I want it to grow. So unfortunately, not much I can do with it yet, but we're getting there slowly. I'm very excited because I signed up for this Snail mail subscription. I don't know if it sounds geeky or whatever, but every Christmas, I'm the type of person that likes to send out Christmas cards. And so if you follow me over on Instagram or TikTok, then you might have seen me test the waters with the idea of starting a snail mail subscription, but it's still an idea and I don't really know where I would take it. And so I haven't really done anything with that yet besides call it Sunday mail, which I really, really resonate with. And I'll go into that in another video if you guys are interested. But yeah, it's still just an idea. But this video is super exciting because I did sign up for a few subscriptions and my very first one just came in and I'm so excited. Can't show you much of the front because my address is on it, but I can show you this cute little stamp and I can show you that it's from the Paper Meadow Mail Club. And yeah, I'm so excited to finally get something in the mail. This is so very analog and so very like old-fashioned, but there's just something about receiving something in the mail. And it's not like, you know, when you order something off of Amazon or like order something and then it comes in the mail. It's like, it's got a different vibe, you know? Anyways, I just wanted to unbox it together and, you know, share the feeling of what it's like to open snail mail. So I don't have a cute little letter opener or anything like that. So unfortunately, I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh, it's actually like really well sealed. Usually with letters, it's like easy to open, but I don't want to rip anything. Oh my God. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna put it in the junk journal anyways, so it will end up getting ripped up no matter what. Aw, it's so cute. Let's see. Aww. First things first, this is how it's wrapped up. That is so cute. Look at this sticker. Aww. I think that's like her little, like the logo for her snail mail or for Paper Meadow is this rabbit. If you look closely, the rabbit is wearing a hat and it says mail. That is so cute. Okay. When I say I signed up for a few, I did sign up for maybe like, I think I signed up for like 3. So I couldn't really, I don't remember the names. So I had to look at, like I remember the art styles. I don't remember the name of the actual mail, the mail club. So I should show you what's inside. First up, we have a letter right here from the creator of the mail club. And then we have a sticker sheet, which I'm excited for because I could totally use this in my journal. And then we have a print. This looks like an A5. An A5 print also doubles as a postcard, which is really, really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it as is, like as an art print that I can maybe put into my journal, or if I'm gonna use it as a postcard. I feel like I probably wouldn't, but we'll have to see. It is so cute. I love the way it looks. I like the little details in the corners, and the print itself is really beautiful. It's this little girl that's holding a bunny. You only see the back of her, but her hair is so beautiful. And the rabbits surrounding her are all super cute. They're little white rabbits. I think that's so pretty. And the texture of it is so nice too. It's printed on really nice paper. And then let's look at the sticker sheet. This girl is so cool. I almost feel like I could put this on the front of one of my journals, and I like it. I like it that much. It's so cute. This girl's really awesome too. I like her hairstyle. But this girl is so me, I feel. Especially right now with my short hair. I feel like that's very me. And that's them together right there. So cute. So let's read the letter. It's really long. And I like that the back is printed on this paper, and again with her like logo, like the little bunnies, so it matches. Everything is so cohesive, and I think that's really nice. Hi friend. We have officially made it to the 3rd month of Paper Meadow Mail Club. Thank you so much for sticking around and supporting this little project of mine. This has allowed me to live a creative life that's so fulfilling and true to myself and my interests, and at the same time allowed me to connect with people all around the world. I know it's been more of a one-sided pen paling system, but not anymore. I've finally opened a P.O. box, so you could respond to my letters if you'd like to. Valentine's Day has just passed at the time of this letter, and I'd love to know what you did by yourself, with friends, or with loved ones. As I'm writing this, my cat just climbed into my lap and curled into a ball. I love her so much. And then it's gonna go on into the rest of the letter, and I think that's so cute. I also really love the idea that she opened up a P.O. box, because then you can reciprocate, and then I don't know if she would reciprocate back, but the idea of that is really sweet. And actually her P.O. box is in Toronto, which is where I'm from, so that's very interesting. Like, for all I know, I've walked into her on the street, but I don't know what she looks like, and she's never revealed, or if she has, I have not noticed it on her Instagram or her TikTok or in her content at all. But I really love her art style. Her name is Helia, or I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not really sure. Helia or Helia. And yeah, I just think that is so, so cute. I am so excited to finally get one of my subscription mails, and I can't wait to see what I get in next month. My favorite part about receiving snail mail, specifically these subscription type of snail mail letters, is when you open it, it looks like a gift. Like, this looks like a present. Here it is. It's sealed with the sticker that she is sending out to everyone for the month. And then once you open it, you see the sticker sheet, which is so exciting, because if you're a journaling girly like me, it's just like an opportunity to decorate in so many different ways, whether it's the front of your journal or a specific day page, or maybe a month or a weekly page. It's just so exciting to like decorate pages, but also her art style is really, really adorable, and I really like it. There's her Instagram handle at the bottom, in case you're interested as well. But I really love that it's like opening a gift. That is my favorite part about these subscriptions, or about these letters, and actually seeing it now in person is really cute, and it gave me that really nice dopamine hit. And then I also really like the letter attribute, like the letter part of the subscription, because you learn about someone's life. They don't know you, you don't know them, but it's a good way to get to know someone like a stranger. It's kind of like reading a new book, except it's a letter, and every month it's going to be a different letter from the same person. And I don't know, there's just something cute about that, and I really like that. I'm really excited to see what I get in next month's letter. Sometimes they'll show like little previews, like the owners of these snail mail clubs, but I'm really excited to see what is going to come in next month's letter. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is short and sweet, but if any of you have tried snail mail subscriptions, please let me know. Comment them down below so that I can check them out, because I'm pretty sure this is not going to be the last one that I sign up for. There are 2 other ones that I already signed up for, but you know, your girl really likes getting mail. More than getting mail, I really love collecting stickers and supporting small businesses and these small artists. Honestly, if I could live a creative life like this too, I would. So yeah, I don't know, it's just nice to get something in the mail once in a while. It's like a gift, but it's something that there's more meaning to it, you know? Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, it's not, is that gonna focus? There you go. Postcard. Nope, I'm holding it upside down. You have, oops, Is it focusing? Hold on, let's get it to focus.